everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos, but mostly makeup tutorials and unboxing videos. But recently I got pregnant. Well, not recently, it was a while ago, but yeah, so that means I'm going to upload some baby videos as well. But today we're going to unbox the Goodiebox of September. Goodiebox is a beauty subscription. It really reminds me of Glossybox, but Goodiebox, well, I prefer Goodiebox. I also have an affiliate link in the description box, so if you use that, you will receive 25% of your first box. I'm not sure if they recently changed it to 50%. But if you click on the link, you will see, obviously. So, yeah, I didn't want to go out on their website and double check because I didn't want to see any spoilers. So, therefore, I'm not sure. Let's start. So, this is the box. You receive around 5 products every month, and mostly full-size products. Okay, so the box of this month is orange. You always receive this black box with the Goodiebox logo, and this little jar you receive in different prints and colors. So that's what it looks like. We receive a paper and they talk about the Goodiebox Beauty Advent Calendar of 2021. They want us to keep our eyes open. Here we have the descriptions of all the products. I'm going to read these at the end. I want to see all the products first, almost like Christmas, you know, taking one product at a time. The non-apology box is the theme. I just unwrap the paper a bit and I reach for one product at a time and we talk about it, all that. So let's start. First product, Fabulous Vita Liberata. What? Self-tanning Gradual Lotion, 50 milliliters for face and body. Never heard about that brand. So of course you should be clean and exfoliated before you apply this. Okay, this is a really good product. Well, I don't know about this in particular, but self-tanning products, I love it. Right now I'm pregnant, as I said earlier, therefore I've stopped tanning, so I really need this in my life. So I'm not disappointed. You may hear my dog snoring in the background. She's laying here on the floor, sleeping. Excuse me, okay. Next product, Meet Cosmetics Diamond Heart Base Primer Illuminating Soft Focus. Okay, this must be a full size. 35 milliliters. Base primer. Diamond Heart Base Primer gives your skin a healthy glow with a smoothing effect. The primer can be used alone to create a glow effect or used as a primer under your foundation or BB cream. Apply a dot on your forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks with a brush or your fingers. Blend the primer into your skin by using your fingers or a brush. Pigment correcting, illuminating, 100% vegan. I really appreciate this brand and their products. I believe this is very, very expensive, but we'll see later on the description paper. Okay, happy about this. Ooh, okay, we have some makeup. AM to PM, Lottie London Retractable Eyeliner. Eyeliner retractable, okay. Inbuilt sharpener, smudge proof, 1.1 gram. Espresso. Okay, I'm going to use that in a video, a first impression video, so you make sure to check my videos out so you don't miss that. Okay, I love makeup, okay? I die for this, so I'm happy. A discount code on HelloFresh. Oh, what is this? Encapsulated sun, 100 synthes. Okay, I don't know. A poetic and sensual combination for an adventurous skin and its favorite season, summer. Oh, it's a perfume. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, it really smells like, you know, one of these candles, maybe? Yeah, it really smells like one of those scented candles you buy at interior stores and stuff. I don't know how to describe the scent, but it really smells like home, you know? Okay, I like it. Moving on. Oh, it's the last product. Dry shampoo compact powder. Style dry. Translucent, suitable for all hair colors. So it really looks like a powder. It's just a white powder. We also get a brush. I just showered and I just done my hair, so I'm not going to try it now. But I'm definitely going to try this out. So if you're interested in my opinion, just comment on this video in a couple of days or something. Easy to use vegan dry shampoo powder. Making your greasy roots disappear with a single swipe of the brush. Check yourself out in a handy mirror if you need convincing of its stylish superpowers. Okay, never heard about this product before, or a dry shampoo as a compact powder. Okay, that's just weird. But maybe it's awesome. I don't know. We'll have to try it out before we can have an opinion. 3, 4, 5 products. Let's read about them. So that's the description paper. Emich Cosmetics full-size diamond heart based primer. Recommended price $42. So it's expensive. And we received the full size. That's crazy. Yeah, apply it with your fingers or brush. Blah blah blah. It also has some pigment to it, so it evens out the skin tone. Blah blah blah. Okay, I have high hopes for that one. Style Dry full size dry shampoo compact powder. Recommended price for $15. Interesting, seriously, very interesting. Corpse Volatilis, whatever. Encapsulated sun. Recommended price for 30 milliliters is $75 for 30 milliliters. You receive 10 milliliters with a worth of $26. Okay, it's expensive. Never heard about this perfume before. Don't recognize the brand, but it smells good. Seriously. Yeah, so it's just a perfume. Vita Liberata, the fabulous Gradual Lotion. Recommended price $29 for 200 milliliters. You receive 50 milliliters with worth of $8. It has a gel lotion formula and it develops gradually. It doesn't give you a yellow tone and it doesn't have a weird scent. And we recommend you to use it 3 to 4 days in a row or until you feel like you're happy with the result. Lotte London full size AM to PM retractable eyeliner. Recommended price $6. With this eyeliner, you will look fresh 24/7. The shade, it's an espresso. It has a gel finish and it will make your eyes pop or shine. I don't know. And it also has the sharpener, built-in sharpener. So, I don't know. We don't receive a lot of products. Sometimes we get extra products and we get a bit spoiled. But we only have 5 products. But I'm happy with the products we received. Because the primer I will actually use. The dry shampoo I definitely have to try out. The Gradual tanning lotion. Awesome. The perfume, I love the scent, it's amazing. I would definitely use it and it's not too much. And of course the eyeliner. Finally they include some more makeup. I love that. I'm tired of all the skin products. This feels more like the primer for the base before you put on makeup, the tan to get a nice skin, and shampoo to fix your hair. It feels like you need these products when you're going out and you're doing you want to look your best. It's not like you receive tons of moisturizers and serums and eye serums and face masks. Those are not my things, but this is my kind of box, okay? I really appreciate this one, and I really appreciate that perfume. It smells so good. Yeah, it smells awesome. So this is really a nice box, and it makes me look forward to their beauty advent calendar. I'm definitely going to order it when it comes, when it's available, of course. And I think that will be soon, because I've seen that a lot of websites and online shops have launched their advent calendars, so it's probably time for Goodiebox soon as well, and I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully it's a bit better than last year. I was a bit disappointed. Sometimes they include a lot of weird products, but I love their boxes, so it's just weird. But I have bigger hopes for this year, and I will of course give it a chance. And yeah, Goodiebox is kind of one of my huge categories when it comes to my videos. So of course I need to unbox the whole advent calendar as well, right? I really think you would appreciate that. So I'm planning on it, okay? But yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell, turn notifications on so you don't miss my future videos. And I see you in the next one. Bye!